Student, today we will learn the chapter differentiation. You have seen so many parts of the differentiations: limit, continuity, meaning of differentiation, first principles, so many formulas, and chain rule. And in the previous video, you have learned some basic formulas of trigonometrical, and that trigonometric formulas we will use for substitutions to differentiate. Now in this part, I will do some exercise using trigonometrical substitutions. Okay, so after understanding the chain rule, now you know the formulas of trigonometricals as explaining in the previous video. I will do some exercise using trigonometrical substitutions to finding the differentiation. Okay, now start. Now that the question is, differentiate the following functions with respect to x. Now the function is y equal to sine inverse sine x, where x belongs to 0 to 2 pi. Okay, now the solution is, now you know the formula y equal to sine inverse sine x may be equal to x if x belongs to 0 to pi by 2, and it is pi minus x if x belongs to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, and minus 2 pi plus x if x belongs to 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Now you can understand what is given in the here, that is 0 to 2 pi. So you can see here from 0 to 2 pi. So after understanding this detail, you can write this way that let x equal to pi by 2, then it is sin pi by 2 is 1, and if x equal not pi by 2, now x equal to pi by 2, then it is pi by 2, it is pi minus pi by 2 means pi by 2, and it is minus 2 pi plus pi by 2. Okay, so minus 3 pi by 2. So from 0 to pi, 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi, so we have to take all these three functions, right? So we can find out for this x, and this value is for this pi minus x, and this value for this minus 2 pi plus x, right? Understand? No. So we can write y equal to x or pi minus x or minus 2 pi plus x, right? So we can take here dy by dx equal to differentiation of x is 1 and pi minus x is 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1 and minus 2 pi plus x is 0 plus 1 equal to 1. Okay, so this is your required solutions. Okay student, so similarly we will do one more question. Y equal to cos inverse cos x, find dy by dx, and it is given that x belongs to closed interval 0 to 2 pi. And now again this will also same way in the previous question can be explained. Cos inverse cos x equal to minus x if x belongs to minus pi to 0, x if x belongs to 0 to pi, 2 pi minus x if x belongs to pi to 2 pi, and it is minus 2 pi plus x if x belongs to 2 pi to 3 pi, and so on. Okay, so here we are giving 0 to pi, so this 0 to 2 pi. We can take x and that is 2 pi minus x. Okay, so we can take hence y equal to cos inverse cos x equal to either x or 2 pi minus x. Therefore we can say dy by dx equal to differential of x is 1 and it is 0 minus 1 equal to minus 1. So this is your answer. Okay, so one more question. Now question is y equal to tan inverse tan x, and it is also given the range at x belongs to 0 to pi except the y by 2. Okay, so again we will say this tan inverse tan x will be equal to what? Equal to, that is x if x belongs to 0 to pi by 2 but not including pi by 2. Okay, here is including and not including, so it will be taken x here, or x minus pi if x belongs to pi by 2 not including and to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 also not including, and x minus 2 pi if x belongs to 3 pi by 2 to 5 pi by 2 and so on. Okay, so we will take tan inverse tan x equal to which one? 0 to pi, 0 to pi by 2, here 3 pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2. So we can take here 0 to pi by 2 and union pi by 2 to come here pi. Okay, pi will be here, so we can take x and x minus and pi minus x, x minus pi. So we can take x and x minus pi from our whatever given question, 0 to pi minus pi by 2. So dy by dx we can take here 1, and here is also 1 minus 0 equal to 1. So your answer is 1. Okay, this is your answer. This way you can understand the questions. Okay, now we are using the domain here, right? So one questions more I'm going to explain you. Differentiate sine inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square with respect to x. If condition number 1, minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1 by root 2. So we know that sine inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. Let's putting here x equal to sine theta. What we get here? Sine inverse 2 sine theta under root 1 minus sine square theta equal to sine inverse 2 sine theta, and it is cos theta equal to sine inverse sine 2 theta. Now this will be equal to what? What is our range? Minus 1 by root 2x less than 1 by root 2. So we know that what is given us here, minus 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1 by root 2. We can write here minus pi by 4 less than theta less than pi by 4. But our range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So multiplying by here we can say minus pi by 2 less than 2 theta less than pi by 2. Now this is our range, so we can take 2 theta. So this is equal to 2 theta. Okay. Now we can write here 2 sine inverse x. So therefore dy by dx equal to 2 into 1 upon 1 under root 1 minus square. It is the differential formula, you know that. Okay. So this is your required answer. Now again, second condition is again y equal to sine inverse sine 2 theta. Now the condition is 1 by root 2 less than x less than 1. So we can say pi by 4 less than theta less than pi by 2. But our range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, or you know the range, our range minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, this one, or 0 to pi by 2, or minus pi by 2 to 0. Okay, somewhere we have to adjust this one. So now minus pi by 4 less than theta less than pi by 2. So we can write this way that if we multiply it by 2, what we get here? Pi by 2 less than 2 theta less than pi. Okay, so first 2 theta is adjusting here, but then we have to take the range here. minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Subtracting here we can get multiplied by minus pi by 2, then this will be changed minus pi to theta and minus pi. Okay, now if we taking here adding pi by 2, so what we get here? Minus pi by 2. So we can take this this way, that this is not our range, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. We should take adding pi here. That adding pi here, we get pi by 2 greater than pi minus 2 theta greater than 0, or 0 less than pi minus 2 theta less than pi by 2. So we are getting this range. Okay, so we can put here this is equal to pi minus 2 theta, and we can write here sine inverse sine pi minus 2 theta equal to pi minus 2 theta and equal to pi minus 2 sine inverse x. Now we can take the differential here, 0 minus 2 into 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So we are getting minus 2 upon root 1 minus x square. So student, this way you have to check your range. Okay, now again we are taking the same questions, but we are changing the range. Let it is given minus 1 less than x less than minus 1 by root 2. So you can write it here minus pi by 2 less than theta less than minus pi by 4. Okay, multiplying by 2 we get minus pi less than 2 theta less than minus pi by 2. So here first we have to set this to theta. Now we have to select the range here. Okay, so for selecting this range, what we get here, now if we take here subtract, adding here adding pi here, we get 0 less than pi plus 2 theta less than adding pi here we get plus pi by 2. So from 0 to pi by 2 we are getting here 0 less than pi plus 2 theta less than and less than pi by 2. What we get here, adding pi here 2 theta pi plus 2 theta, minus 1 is minus pi by 2 less than theta less than minus pi by 4. Now multiplied by 2 we get minus pi to 2 theta less than minus pi by 2. Now adding pi here we get 0 less than pi plus 2 theta less than, adding pi we get here pi by 2. So we can check here if we multiply it by here minus again, so we can get 0 greater than minus pi minus 2 theta greater than minus pi by 2. Means minus pi by 2 less than minus pi minus 2 theta less than 0. So we are taking from this side. So we are putting here y equal to sine inverse minus pi minus 2 theta sine of minus pi minus 2 theta. So we get here minus pi minus 2 theta. So dy by dx equal to 0 minus 2 equal to minus pi minus 2 sine inverse x into 1 upon root 1 minus square. So your answer is minus 2 upon root 1 minus x square. So this way you can get so many questions, okay, using the range. Now I am describing you one more question here. Let y equal to cos inverse 1 minus 2x square. If condition is 1, 0 less than x less than 1, and second condition is minus 1 less than x less than 0. Now we know that the formula is that if x equal to sine theta, then 1 minus 2 x square equal to 1 minus 2 sine square theta equal to cos 2 theta. So our question is cos inverse cos 2 theta. Now first condition is 0 less than x less than 1. So in cos 2 theta, what is the our range that you should be learn here? So student, we are going to take this 0 less than x less than 1 means we can take 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. Multiplied by 2 we get 0 less than 2 theta less than pi. Here is 2 theta, so we have take here 2 theta. Okay. Now 0 to pi is our range perfectly in the cos range. So this is okay. So we can write here directly 2 theta. So it is 2 sine inverse x. So we can say dy by dx equal to 2 1 upon under root 1 minus x square equal to 2 upon root 1 minus x square. Okay. Now for second condition, minus 1 less than x less than 0. What we have to do? Y equal to cos inverse cos 2 theta. Now second condition is minus 1 less than x less than 0. So in this part we can say minus pi by 2 less than theta less than 0. Okay, minus 1 less than sine theta less than 0. So this is for sine theta. Okay, so this is minus pi by 2. Understand or not? So now we have to select the range here. Multiplied by 2 we get minus pi less than 2 theta less than 0. Now it is 2 theta. Okay, now minus pi less than 2 theta less than 0 we can multiply it by minus. So we can 0 here is less than minus 2 theta less than pi. Okay, Now 0 to pi is our range for cos, so we can range here cos inverse cos minus 2 theta. So we can write here y equal to minus 2 theta, y equal to minus 2 sine inverse x. Therefore dy by dx equal to minus 2 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, minus 2 upon root 1 minus x square. Okay student, this way you can do questions. Okay, now I am doing some more questions here. Now the question is, differentiate of the questions y equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos x upon sin x, where the given is minus pi less than x less than pi. If this condition is given, so you have to use this condition here. If this condition is not given in the question, directly you can use this formula, simplify as for all real values, then you can do directly. But if the range is given, you have to check it. Okay, so minus pi less than x less than pi, this is range. So we can write this question this way: find derivative of this y equal to tan inverse, and you know the 1 minus cos x equal to 2 sine square x by 2. In the previous video we have given the formula 1 minus cos 2x, then 2 sine square x. If it is x, then x by 2, and we write here 2 sine x by 2 cos x by 2 using sine theta formula. 2 is cancelled out, sine is cancelled out, here is tan x by 2. So we getting here tan inverse tan x by 2. Now we have to select the range. What is the range is given here? Minus pi less than x less than pi. So minus pi less than x less than pi may divided by pi by 2, we get this x by 2 here, and this is your proper range for 10. Okay, this x by 2 is here and this is your proper range, so it means we can write here directly x by 2. So now dy by dx equal to 1 by 2. Differential of x is 1, therefore it is 1 by 2. It is your required answer. Okay, so student, are you understanding? Okay, do one more questions. Question is y equal to tan inverse root 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x upon root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x, and the condition is given 0 less x less than pi. Now first we will solve this one, then we write here. Now you can see here 1 plus sin x can be written as this way: cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, this is 1, and plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Okay, and we can write here cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Similarly, for 1 minus sin x, we can write cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 whole square. Okay, so here is a square, so what about under root here? We can write this one directly. So this one can be written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, and this one be written as cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Okay, and below is same, cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2, here is minus, so cos x by 2, this will be plus sin x by 2. What happened? Left is here tan inverse 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 sin x by 2. Y equal to tan inverse 2 is cancelled, that is we are getting here cot x by 2, and this we can write here again, that is y equal to tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now we have to check the range, 0 less than x less than pi, 0 less than x less than pi. So since 0 less than x less than pi, so we have to check it in our range. Okay, now one more condition is also here, under root 1 minus sin x is equal to cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 if 0 less than x less than pi by 2, and it will be minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 if pi by 2 less than x less than pi. Okay, so in this case, in the first case 0 less than x less than pi by 2, we got the value of this for first case, and that is second case. So first case we are getting here that y equal to tan inverse tan pi by 2 minus x by 2. In the first case when we got it, so that way we will got it pi by 2 minus x by 2, so dy by dx is 0 minus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 by 2. Now for second case we will get y equal to tan inverse cos pi by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 minus cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. So what we left here, minus cos x by 2 will be cancelled, 2 sin x by 2, and here cos x by 2 will be adding here, sin will be cancelled. So what we get, y equal to tan inverse and tan x by 2. Therefore x by 2 So in the second case, we got the differential, that is 1 by 2. This is your required answer. So student, this way you can solve so many questions. If the range is selected, then you have to select the range. Otherwise you can do the direct question. For example, find differentiate of y equal to tan inverse a plus x upon 1 minus ax. Now the condition is not given, so we can write here tan inverse a plus tan inverse x. Okay, you can use the directly formula if condition is not given. Okay, so dy by dx equal to dy dx of tan inverse a plus dy dx of tan inverse x. Okay, this is the constant value, that is 0, and this is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So your answer is 1 upon 1 plus x square. If condition is not given in the questions, so don't worry about the conditions. Okay, if the condition is given anywhere, so you have to check the conditions first in your domain range, then do the questions. Okay students, otherwise if not check the question conditions, so you will failure to do that questions. Now do one more questions. If y equal to sine inverse x plus sine inverse root 1 minus x square, find dy by dx if condition number 1, that is x belongs to 0 to 1 open interval, and the second x belongs to minus 1 to 0. Okay, do this question this way. Let x equal to sine theta, hence sine inverse x equal to theta. So this one is theta, and what about here? Sine inverse under root 1 minus sine square theta equal to sine inverse cos square theta equal to sine inverse cos theta. Okay, so in the first condition, x belongs to 0 to 1, so we can say x, since we are using here x equal to sine theta, hence we can say 0 less than sine theta less than 1. Okay, so therefore 0 less than theta less than pi by 2. Okay, and for cos theta we can say 0 less than cos, we can write this 0 less than cos pi by 2 minus theta less than 1. So we can use here 0 less than pi by 2 minus theta less than pi by 2. Hence we can say our question is y equal to sine inverse sine theta plus sine inverse cos theta is equal to sine inverse sine theta plus sine inverse sine pi by 2 minus theta. Therefore we can say it is equal to theta plus pi by 2 minus theta equal to pi by 2. therefore differential is 0. Now for second condition it is -1 to 0. So x equal to sine theta, we can write -1 and sine theta less than 0. And we can say this one minus pi by 2 less than theta less than 0. Okay. And the first part sine inverse sine theta is theta. And the second part sine inverse cos theta equal to sine inverse sine pi by 2 minus theta is equal to, we can say, pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 plus theta. Okay. So our question is y equal to theta plus pi by 2 plus theta. So y equal to pi by 2 plus 2 theta. Therefore differential y equal to pi by 2 plus 2 sine inverse x. So therefore differential is 0 plus 2 under root 1 minus x square. So this is your required answer. Okay student. So this way you can use the substitutions of trigonometrical formula mainly in inverse questions and any other questions also, right? So you can use this and you can do more questions from your book. Thank you for watching. In the next video I will tell you differentiate of implicit functions. Thank you.